this black beauty. 1951 Oldsmobile 98 Holiday Coupe. What a nice looking car. 98, of course, would have been the top of the line vehicle from Oldsmobile. Be a third gen. I also believe that this was the last year that the 98, they actually used numeric numbers to describe this style or this model. After that, it went to script. Paint on this, I'll call it a nice driver quality paint. Obviously a car of this size and in black, you're going to find a few imperfections here and there, but overall, very nice paint on it. A couple things I did notice, there was a couple of spots where it was checking. Other than that, you can see nice luster to it, see the reflection of the ceiling. Bright work on this car, also nice shape. You're going to find a few little tiny areas where there's just a little bit of light pitting, if you can see that show up in the video, but you take a look at this bumper, grille, majority of it, very nice. Great shine to it, nice chrome. One other little spot here, and it's just a little bit of pitting, if you can see that. So again, I'd call this a driver quality classic car. Of course, powered by a 303 Rocket V8 underneath the hood. Does have an Edelbrock carb, and it is tri-power. We'll fire this up too towards the end of the video so you can hear it. We'll check out the engine bay. Now, if you want to check out still pictures of this, so if you want to take a good look at the still pictures and snoop it over from the engine bay to the interior to the undersides, the still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, you're going to see a link to click on. That'll take you right there. Great look, riding on the wide whites. Oldsmobile wheel covers. And look up and down the side of this car. I mean, you can see how straight it is. For a black car that is this long and sleek, it's not wavy. I mean, it's not full of nicks, chips, dings. Yeah, a few imperfections maybe here and there. But overall, take a look at that. We always call them, they get a little wavy, and it's real easy to show up when it's a black one. It's this long a car. This one is very nice. As you can see, the bright work along the sides also has a nice luster to it, good shine. Also a nice shape, rear fender skirts. Has a two-tone kind of black and gray interior on it. We'll go ahead and open up the door when we fire it up. You can check out the dash, and we'll check out the interior. Now, of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist you with getting this car transported to where you're located at. Again, you can see the reflection of the window behind me. It's got a nice paint to it. Come around and look at the rear bumper on this. Also chrome that's in very good shape. Dual exhaust, chrome tips on it. This car also has power steering. Make it a little easier maneuvering it around. Does have an automatic transmission. Take a look down the driver's side here again. You can see how straight this car is. Bright work once again, good on the driver's side. Chrome up around the windows. Nice bright work. That website, once again, uniqueclassiccars.com, or down below this video in the description. Click on the link. It's going to take you there. Our number, you can call us at. Be happy to answer any questions you may have on this, 507-386-1726. Now, of course, the Holiday Coupe would be the hardtop variety. So when this window comes down in the rear, you have the full opening between the front seat and the rear seat. I believe there's only 3 models in the 98 and 51, and you would add the sedan, the convertible, and of course the Holiday. Very popular cars. A couple other things I noticed on the inside when I was playing around with it earlier. The wipers do work. I did get the radio to power up, but I didn't get any sound out of it, but light did come on, but I did not have any sound out of it. Power windows. Let's go ahead. I'm going to do something here a second. Turn the key on. Let me give you an idea. These windows roll down the back like that. And of course, now you can see, I'll roll down that passenger one too. Wanted to show you this car with the windows down. Take a look at that. Just a great look. Let's check out the headliner and the interior over in here. So you can see the dome light did work. Headliner, crossbow is nice shape. Around to the rear seat. It is a vinyl cloth blend. We have seat belts up front. Carpeting's nice in it. Of course, retains what I would call the stock Oldsmobile dash. Let's go ahead and fire this up a second. Make sure we're in neutral. Push button start right here. See how easily that rocket V8 started up. Cool thing on this car, center of the steering wheel. Check that out. Slip around to the back. Let's hear this run. See how nicely that door closes too. Hardly had to swing it. Slip around to the back. Nice little rumble coming out of that. 303 V8. I'm going to slip up here to the front. I'm going to pause this video a second so I can use both hands to get this larger hood open, and let's check out the engine bay. Alright, got the hood pop there. Doesn't open too bad at all. The release is on the inside for this. As you can see, there is a dead man switch or a cutoff with a battery there. There's your old rocket V8 underneath. The hood, power steering. Like I said, Edelbrock manifold with a tri-power setup. Nice and smooth that engine runs. What a cool cruiser this would be. There you have it, 1951 Olds Holiday Coupe in a 98 model. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Once again, down below this video, click on the link. It'll take you to uniqueclassiccars.com. Financing is available. We do consider trades. And of course, we can sure assist you with the transportation to where you're located at. Look forward to hearing from you. This beautiful, sleek black Oldsmobile.